Hi, I'm Chef Mark Allen. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm so excited. Summer's just around the corner, and I have a sensational summer salad for you here. It's a little mozzarella cheese, basil, tomato, a little balsamic vinegar, a touch of red onion. Very simple and a very delightful summer salad. So let's get started. We start off with a little tomato. All I want to do is core this. You can easily use a tomato shark, which is and simply pull the end of it out. Isn't that so simple? Or a paring knife, same thing. You can just work it right around, take the center of it out. But for the few cents that this costs, I'd go and get one of those at any specialty store. Just cut this into large quarters. Oh, I wish you could smell these tomatoes. They're just wonderful. We're going to put this into a large bowl. We have spinach. All I want to do is simply take the stems off of it. If you have a large piece, you can cut it or tear it in half. I don't really want to cut the spinach. I want to tear the spinach. That way it doesn't bruise. So we'll get a few pieces in here. We have cucumber, which is the most wonderful summer vegetable there is. Go ahead and peel it. People like peeled cucumber a little bit better, and it takes a little bit of the bitterness away from it. Again, just large cubes. You can see how simple this is and how rustic it is. We have a touch of red onion. You can use white onion or shallots would be fine too. And we want fairly good sized pieces because again, this is a nice rustic summer salad. We're going to add this to the bowl. We have a little bit of basil. Basil actually comes from the Greek word for kings. And we're going to tear this again and add this to it in large chunks. Touch of balsamic vinegar, just about a teaspoon or two. Give it a quick stir. Look how quickly that came to life. I've got some shredded mozzarella here. Or you could use any Italian style of cheese, would do fine. No salt or pepper is necessary. And there you have a perfect summer salad. I'm Chef Mark Allen, the well-seasoned chef. Thanks for watching.